Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Tools no internet connection error while uploading or downloading the game through Steam. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to open your Steam, go to Steam, click settings, go to downloads, scroll down till you find clear download cache. You want to click clear cache. Now click confirm and it will clear your cache and restart the Steam. After restart the Steam, try downloading your game. Now if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is go to search, type in settings. Once it opens, go to privacy and security, Windows security. Now click virus and threat protection. Click manage settings and you want to disable the real-time protection. Click yes and close this out. Now you want to open a new Chrome tab and type 1.1.1.1 and press enter, and it will prompt you to Cloudflare website. You click Windows here and simply download, and now click here to open the file and it will extract and install the Cloudflare client. And after it's done installing, you want to click here agree to terms and it will log you in. Now you simply click connect and it will let it load. And once it says connected, now you want to go to search, type in PowerShell, click run as administrator. Yes. Now in here, you want to copy these commands. So the first command you want to paste in, press enter, let it go through the process. Now restart your Steam and see if you're able to download your game. If it doesn't work, you want to open the shell command again and you want to paste this command first, the first one, and it will automatically restart your Steam and it will update it and it hopefully should work properly. Now if the second command doesn't fix your issue, once it relaunches the Steam, you download the game, and if it doesn't work still, you want to copy the third command. So you select the third command and paste it in and then press enter, and it will again restart the Steam and launch it back again, and then it should be able to properly install the games and you shouldn't get the no internet connection error while uploading or downloading games through Steam. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Steam Tools no internet connection error while uploading and downloading the games. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.